Hey guys, for this video I put together a 5-minute ab workout routine that works your abs and your core to help you achieve those rock hard abs. All you have to do is follow along and have fun. All right, let's go. All right, you guys, we're gonna start with crunches. Bring those legs in. Ready, go. 5, 6, bicycle twist. Ready and twist, twist. 5, 6, crunch again, and in, 5, 6, bicycle twist, twist, 2, crunches one more time, 1, double time, 1, 2, 5, 6, and circles, and 1, 2, reverse, again, reverse one more time, and bring that knee in to kick, ready, in, kick, and crunching at the same time, switch sides and go, in, up, good job, guys. Again, other way. In, up. One more time. In, up. And we're gonna crunch. Side, up, down. Crunch, side. Whew. Keep going. Whew. Okay, now we're gonna bring those legs in, out, kick, in, out. Again, keep that flat back on the floor as best you can. Out, bring it in, up and down. Keep your chest up and down. Reverse, up, bend, out, up, and out. And we're gonna kick. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend those legs. 1, 2. Whew. And switch. Up, back, up. Whew. Keep going. Up. Crunch to the side. Crunch. 2, 3, 4. Leg out and up and down. 1. Leg out and up. Down. We're gonna end in, down, in, up, down. We're almost there, guys. Reverse. Out, up, in, out. Stretch it out. All right, you guys, now flip it over for 2 minutes of mountain climbers and planks. Ready? Go. In. Make sure your back is straight. 10 more seconds of this before we switch to plank. 4, 3, and 1, and plank. Make sure your back is flat, your booty's down, and breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Keep also your abs engaged. 15 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, and mountain climbers. Here we go. In. Whew. Bring it in. 10 more seconds, guys. Good job. And plank. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. I know I'm feeling it. Good job, guys. We're almost there. Remember, flat back, booty down, abs engaged. And 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, stretch out that stomach and your back. Whew. And bring it back. Whew. All right, you guys, that's the full 5-minute ab workout routine. Great job. And be sure to do this workout every other day to see quick results. Till next time.